Okay, guys, number 7 says divide. Write your answer as a polynomial or a mixed number. And I picked this one to put in there because we needed placeholders on this one. Okay? Remember, back when you were in 3rd grade or 4th grade and you were doing your division, you know that a fraction, if I have 12 on top and I have 5 on the bottom, that's the same as 5 into 12. Right? Same thing with these. Okay? It's going to be 3y minus 1 into 9y squared plus 0y plus 6. Remember, we have to have that placeholder there. Okay? Right. These things need, the variables need to go in descending order of their power. And if we don't have one to the first, we have to write it in there. Okay. Now, the first thing, remember, when I'm dividing, whenever I do the dividing step, remember it's divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Whenever I do the division, I'm only worried about this first term. 3y times 3y will give me 9y squared. Okay? That's all I'm worried about, that first term into the first term. But when I multiply, I'm going to go ahead and distribute, Edward. So I'm going to get 3y times 3y is 9y squared. And then 3y times minus 1 gives me negative 3y. Now I've multiplied. Now I need to subtract. Well, remember, the reason we multiplied by 3y was so that that would cancel out. 0 minus negative 3y means positive 3y, because I'm subtracting negative 3y. Okay? And then I need to bring down my 6. Okay. Now I'm dividing again on the next step. 3y times what will give me 3y? 3y times 1 will give me 3y. 1 times 3y is 3y. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Now I need to subtract. Remember, I can write subtraction out here. It's 3y minus 3y. That cancels, but it's negative 6 minus negative 1, which is the same as 6 plus 1 gives me 7. Now remember, it says write your answer as a polynomial or a mixed expression. For this one, is my answer going to be a polynomial, a simple polynomial, or is it going to be a mixed expression? Read? Mixed expression. Yeah, because I have a remainder. So my answer is going to be this part, 3y plus 1 plus 7 over 3y minus 1. Okay? It's just like if we were finding a mixed number between regular numbers. Right? Here we go. Remember, 12 over 5, that's 5 into 12. 5 goes into 12, 2. 2 times 5 is 10, with 2 left over. So my answer is 2 and 2/5. My answer here is 3y plus 1 and 7 over 3y minus 1. Okay? You've got to have the placeholders. Remember that. All right. Good job, guys. Let's look at the next one. Any questions on that before I go? Placeholders. Good job.